In this video, we'll discuss how you can use the new chart control on the dialog component to plot time series data. So you can see here we have a simple chart that is displaying data, and for the various data points here we have a time value. So this particular chart type is designed as an XY chart. So if we go over to our controls here, we can see that we're using an XY chart, and when you choose the XY chart, you specify the series for your X values and your series for your Y values. And if you look here in the definition here, we specified that the X axis data is a series of date values. So by default, Alpha 5 selects numeric, but in this case we've selected date. So now let's go ahead and look at the actual definition of our data series. So if we bring up the builder here and then we edit our static data here, we can see that we've defined a series that has three sub-series, and the sub-series are time, value, and then value 2. And then for each data point on the time sub-series, we have a valid XBasic date value. We could also choose XBasic time values, in which case we would have had a time component inside the curly bracket. So curly bracket and then a date value here is how you represent dates in XBasic. So this particular series here has values for January the 1st, February the 1st, June the 1st, and December the 1st. So it doesn't have values for every single month. It just has values for selected months, and then the sub-series called value has values of 20, 35, and 40, and the sub-series called value 2 has values for 11, 40, 15, and 12. So the sub-series has selected date values, but not all date values. Nevertheless, when it comes time to plotting it, Alpha 5 plots the data and correctly extrapolates the date values across the x-axis so that they are all printed out in a proportional manner. So you can see there's our value for January the 1st, there's February the 1st, there's June the 1st, and there's December the 1st. So going back now to our definition here, we can see that for our x-axis we've chosen the time series, so series 1.time, and this is the value of dates over there. But for the y-axis we've actually chosen two series, series 1.value, which we've given a label of alpha, and then series 1.value2, which we've given a label of beta. Then furthermore, we've gone and we specified that for our series styles we've defined two styles, and then we've chosen a circle for the first style, which is going to be the blue line, and a square for the data point for the second line, which is the orange line. And then we've also gone and chosen to put the titles above the chart, and then we've also chosen a background that has no decoration around it. So now let's go back to our preview now, and there you can see there's our chart, there's our legend for the two series alpha and beta, which is printed above the chart. There are two lines with the different data point styles. There's our actual x-axis labels, which have been specified at an angle. So if we go there to text styles, we can see we've chosen a minus 45 degree angle for the x-axis labels. So the ability to plot time series data in the chart is a very powerful option, and it applies both to date values and also time values. Thank you very much for watching.